Simpler way to create dictionary of separate variables. I would like to be able to get the name of a variable as a string, but I don't know if Python has that much introspection capabilities. Something like, I want to do that because I have a bunch of variables I'd like to turn into a dictionary like. But I'd like something more automatic than that. Python have locals and vars, so I guess there is a way.
This is not possible in Python, which really doesn't have variables. Python has names, and there can be more than one name for the same object.
As Unwind said, this isn't really something you do in Python. Variables are actually name mappings to objects. However, here's one way to try and do it.
This is a hack. It will not work on all Python implementations distributions, in particular, those that do not have traceback.extract_stack. Note that this hack is fragile. Calling make_dict on 2 lines will not work. Instead of trying to generate the dict out of the values foo and bar, it would be much more Pythonic to generate the dict out of the string variable names foo and bar.
Are you trying to do this? Example.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.